One of the problems facing by the papaya is the overwatering by rainfall, and then after that, if it is overwatered, then the root system will be affected, and then you will see the leaves will become dry, the color will change to green to yellowish, and definitely this after some time will die. So this is one of the problems facing by the papaya plants during a heavy rainfall or during rainy season. So it is better that you have to plant the papaya on a higher ground, so during rainy season it will not be affected and the water will not become stagnant and the water will not affect the rooting system of the papaya. So this one is already affected and all the leaves are already drying up, and you will see that the leaves already yellow. Eventually after some time this will die, and this papaya is already 10 months old and actually already starting on a flowering stage, but unluckily due to the heavy rainfall during this month of August and September, this papaya plant is already affected by the overwatering of the heavy rainfall, and the rooting system is heavily soaked on stagnant water. I have tried to protect the rooting system with by covering with plastic on the bottom side, but it's not working anymore. So this papaya plant is already 10 months old and already starting on a flowering stage, but already affected by heavy rainfall during this month of August and September. So eventually the leaves already drying up and the color is changing to yellow, and eventually after some time this papaya will die. Okay, and this is one of the problems facing by papaya plant during a rainy season. Okay.